Denim jeans have come a long way since they were worn by miners and laborers in the late 1800s. They were popularized in the mid-20th century by Hollywood stars such as Marlon Brando and James Dean for their rebellious look. But now they can be dressed up and worn for many occasions. This is what many call my personal uniform. On a daily basis, I generally wear a soft sweater or cardigan, a layering tank, denim jeans, and loafers. It's what I go to every day that saves me time getting dressed in the morning. But it can be dressed up by adding something such as a scarf, a very easy accessory that isn't over the top, that not only adds a little warmth for spring, but also gives it a slightly elevated look. Another way to dress up denim is to add something like this lady coat sweater here. I love these because they have that Chanel boxy feel to them, just elegant and classic. But it's also an example of how to mix textures, the soft knit of the sweater against the rugged denim. Pair it with a nice handbag and a pair of loafers. Just as a reminder, your handbag does not have to be expensive. You can get some very designer looking handbags on Amazon at budget prices. Perhaps the easiest way to dress up denim is to add a blazer. I'm wearing a slightly oversized fit here that's a little more modern. And just as a reminder, ladies, you do not have to tuck your shirt and wear a belt. It's totally okay to wear your shirt tail out. I've also added a low heel with a black cap toe. I know that I would have called these spectator pumps, but if you Google that these days, it will get you nowhere. But it just comes together. This is one of my favorite color combinations, beige and black. It's a very chic and a Four Seasons color combination. And while we're on the topic of blazers, it can also be a sweater blazer. Here, this is a two-piece shell with sweater blazer on top. It definitely adds some warmth for spring. And I have added a low wedge heel here for a little lift and to elevate the look. And now I'm switching jeans here. You'll notice that both pairs are a lighter wash for spring. And I'm going back to a lady coat sweater that has that Chanel boxy feel to it. And adding a pair of ballet flats. The little ballerina in me cannot say no. And if your feet do get cold, you can wear low slip socks to give you a little bit of warmth on your feet. Very elegant, timeless, classic look here. And this is perhaps my favorite addition to my wardrobe this spring. I bought this to play golf. It is breathable wool that's made for active wear, but it looks fabulous with a pair of jeans. It definitely has that coastal casual feel to it with the beige paired with the light wash denim, and we will talk more about coastal color palettes here really soon. I just love the way this look comes together, and the comfort of this quarter zip pullover is just unprecedented. And also, when you're thinking about dressing up denim, think outside of blue denim. Here I'm wearing ivory. Because it's early spring, I'm not quite ready to wear white pants yet. So I've gone with these ivory ankle pants and done a bit of a monochrome look between the cardigan and the ankle pants with a blue button up underneath, and I just love the way these colors come together. Again, a low wedge heel to elevate, and these are called running heels because they're that kind of comfortable. And here is another example of the muted baby blue with ivory jeans. These are longer, they have a bit of a raw hem to them, and I've also paired it with a sweater tee underneath. I love sweater tees in spring and fall because of the added warmth they provide for the torso. I've layered the blazer on top for a very elevated, elegant look, and the cap-toed heels, also called running shoes, really set this look off. Tell me in the comments below which one of these outfits is your favorite. Until we meet again, my friends.